Hi guys, I've got some new buyers and they're checking out a home. They've actually got it under contract. We're in the inspection period. So one of the things to look for in one of these older homes, this home was built in 1963. It's a great solid built house. I mean, usually they're really solid built houses, but they do have cast iron pipes. So it's really important to check out the drain lines. So I'm just going to spin you around a little bit here. So I've got PRC pipe restorations out here today, and the guys are just up on the roof now. And sorry, I'm trying to see. Yeah, there they are. And what they're doing is they're just sending a camera, like a little camera, down through the well, we call it stink pipe, the pipe that comes up in the house from the drain. And what they'll do is they'll take the scope down and they'll look through all of the drain lines just to make sure that cast iron is still intact, or to see if it needs to be lined. They have a solution that, you know, they push air through it. Anyways, it's a long process. I'm sure you can find a Google video on it, a YouTube video on it. But they line the pipe, actually, if there's enough that can be left. And then yeah, it's usually good for a long time after that. I'm not sure, maybe 10 to 20 years, 10 to 15 years. And yeah, it's just a great solution, because otherwise you're going to have to jackhammer the floor, put in new drain lines, PVC drain lines, and that kind of thing. So it's really a great solution for older homes. So yeah, maybe I'll have the video and share that with you later.